Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name's Chris. I'm a videographer, photographer, and YouTuber. And in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at something slightly different to my usual content. Only slightly different. So I review a lot of microphones on this channel, but I've never reviewed one quite like this. This is the Mirfak USB condenser microphone. It's called the TU1. And to be honest, it looks like a lot of other microphones, especially on the box. But when you actually get it out the box, it looks a little bit different. Bear with me. Look at how tiny this thing is. Almost exactly the same size as a can of Pepsi. And look at the size of the box that it comes in. It's really big. That's because you get a load of things with it. You get this little sock, which goes on the top. You get a cradle for the microphone and another little mount for the mic. You get this solid microphone stand. You get a pop shield, a diddy little tripod, and an included USB cable. So let's set this up and then I'm going to tell you all about it and what makes it special. Okay, and as if by magic, it's all set up. I want to start off by talking about price. Now, Mirfak did send me this microphone to review, but you can buy it online for about £120. That's what I've seen anyway. And I'm just going to go over some of the features that it's got. So on the front, you've got a button which allows you to hard mute this microphone. So you can push that button and there'll be no sound coming out of it. And it does actually change color when you push that button. Above that, you've got a headphone socket, you've got a volume knob, and you've also got an echo knob. So if you want to, you can sound like this. I think that's a bit gimmicky. Not a feature that I'd ever use personally, but I'm sure there's lots of people out there who would use it. There's another feature to this microphone which might sound a little bit gimmicky, but I've tested it and it actually works really well. And it's got built-in noise reduction, and you might not be able to hear it at the moment, but if I just move away from the microphone a little bit, you'll hear that it's starting to cut off the end of my words. In my opinion, this is both a good and a bad thing. If you're using this microphone for recording your voice, if you're doing voiceover work, or if you're a streamer and you're talking over your content, then yes, that's an amazing feature. It's not going to pick up anything around you, like your PC or this massive light that I've got over to my left. But if you're trying to record a musical instrument, an acoustic guitar, this isn't going to work for you. There's no way to turn off that noise reduction. You are going to have to sit really close to this microphone in order to get the best out of it. That's why they include this little sock that goes over the microphone and the pop shield. But when you are really close to it, it does sound awesome. You could quite happily use this to record an audiobook or a podcast, or if you're streaming, then this would be a great option for you. I still can't get over quite how small this thing is. It's diddy. If you compare it to something like the Blue Yeti, I mean, that is 3 or 4 times the size of this, so it's a really nice small footprint. The microphone itself is a full metal construction, feels nice and weighty in the hands, but the mounting points, they're plastic, and I can see them degrading over time. If you're planning to take this on and off of a microphone stand all the time, then I would leave it. But if you're planning to put it on a microphone stand and use it and never move it, then it won't be an issue. The only other criticism I have with it is this USB cable. It's quite short. I could do with it being about twice the length so I can route that cable nicely onto my desk. There are other microphones out there that are like this, but to be honest, I've not seen one which is this small and sounds this good. Let me know in the comment section what you think of this microphone. Do you think it's worth it? Do you think it's a waste of money? I'd love to know what you think. To be honest, I quite like it. When I first unboxed it, and I started playing around with it, and I was gonna do a whole little shoot recording a little music video with it, and then I realized that it had that built-in noise reduction, and I was trying to use it for completely the wrong purpose. If you're somebody who is recording vocals a lot, then this would be a great option for you. If you liked this video or found it helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And why not head over to my new Facebook group? There's a link in the video description. You can ask me questions, request videos, and just become part of the community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again really soon.